So number 9 on the QR code review is asking us to graph a piecewise defined function. So there are my two pieces of the function f of x. I'm gonna do the top one in blue for you and the bottom one in red for you so you can see it. Really, all we wanna do is graph this portion of the line for the given x values. So I wanna graph the line 2x plus 1 for x's that are less than or equal to 0. So that means it's gonna cross the y-axis at 1, so I can go right there. I can color that dot in because it's less than or equal to 0. And the slope is 2. So from here I would go up 2 and over 1, but I only want this to be for x's that are less than or 0. So instead I'm going to go back down 2 and to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1, down 2 to the left 1. And then this represents the blue for the line 2x plus 1, but only for x values that are less than or equal to 0. Now this is negative x squared plus 3, but only for x values that are greater than 0. So therefore, I'm going to start my graph up here at 3, because I know this is a quadratic that's been flipped over and reflected, so it's gonna open down, and go to the right and down 1, go over 2, down 4. Sorry, lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go. And then the graph will be doing something like this right here. So the important features are that you've got to have half of your x squared function for values of x that are greater than 0. Make sure your dot is open, and you got to have the line 2x plus 1 for x's that are less than or equal to 0, and make sure your dot is closed. That's how you do number 9.